Happy birthday, Biggie. Very loud.
Yeah. Can you say that?
Happy birthday, Biggie. Happy birthday, Biggie. Happy birthday.
Biggie.
Happy birthday, Biggie.
What do you want to say to Big E?
Happy birthday, Biggie.
What do you hope Big E does for his birthday?
Candles.
What?
Candles. Candles.
Oh, you hope he gets candles?
Yeah.
Okay. What color candles?
Oh, wait.
Oh, right. How many candles does he get?
What?
Like how many?
That many on his cake. His cake is be that big.
And what kind of cake should he have?
Separate cake.
Supper cake?
Yeah.
What flavor?
Fruit.
Fruit. Okay.
You can eat a lot of fruit.
Yeah. Okay, anything else you want to say to him?
You eat all the fruit.